Okay, let's pull it out and see what happens. April 2nd, 2011. From the lake, well, you didn't get to see the fun part of the lake, to the cleaning station, to the fried Eddie, with a little bit of mustard on the way. Mustard, cornmeal. I put a little flour in with my cornmeal. And then all the Cajun spices you can handle. Salt, black pepper. And believe it or not, you will not taste that mustard. You will not taste that mustard in the fish. It will be pleasantly Cajun spicy, but it'll lose all of the French's mustard. Now, we got to talk to those French's people and see if they're going to give us a little kickback on that advertising. And there you go.